guys, welcome back to another Clean With Me video. In today's video, pretty much playing catch up. I took a day off from cleaning, so got a lot of cleaning to take care of. This is gonna be pretty much an all-day cleaning video. Now, I'm not saying that I get it all done today. I tried my best to get as much as I could finished, clean, you know. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's hop right in. So I'm gonna start by making my bed. It is something I do whether it is day or night, and I say this because me and my husband have different sleeping schedules. So usually when he's getting out of bed, or when I'm getting out of bed, he's getting into it. So you will see in my videos that I make my bed during the day and at night. So like I said, it just varies on the day. But one thing that is different between me and my husband, he doesn't care if the bed is made. I can actually leave it a mess, unmade, and he'll be perfectly fine with it. Me, on the other hand, I like to have my bed made, so I will make it. Unless I am sick, which I was recently, that is the only time I will leave things a mess. So taking this Pet Fresh odor eliminator floor thingy, I'm gonna spread this down on the carpet. We only have carpet upstairs, so yeah, I'm just gonna put this everywhere. Now, side note, this is actually very strong. Like, it's so fragrancy that I need to have fans going and open up the windows. So I like it, but then I don't like it because of that. If you guys know of any products, can you please, like non-toxic, can you leave them in the comments? Or any little DIY things. I wonder if you could use essential oil. I wonder. I actually didn't do that laundry, guys. I just moved it out, I think. I can't remember. So while that stuff is sitting on the carpet, I am just gonna tidy up my bathroom. I didn't need to mop or anything. I just needed to clean up the sink area and the mirror, and then I needed to clean my shower. So that is what you guys will see me do. And I am gonna start with the sink area first. My husband's side is always the messier one. I don't know if that's just with men, but my husband is a messy boy, so I'm just cleaning that up. I actually had to turn the water back on because we turned it off. My husband's sink is actually leaking, so we're still trying to figure out how to fix it, instead of spending so much money on a plumber to come out to fix something that's probably super simple. But it's taken us a lot longer than we anticipated. So I just took the method as you saw and just wiped down the mirrors because they had a lot of splots and stuff. I have been really wanting to decorate this bathroom. This is so bare, like it kills me every time I go in. I'm like, I want this very boho and like green. I want greenery up in here. I seriously am on Pinterest so much, just looking at like boho inspired like living rooms, bedrooms, and homes. It's really throwing me off a farmhouse. Not gonna lie, it really is. But I didn't know that there's farmhouse and boho like combined, which I thought was pretty cool. So I'm really contemplating, like I'm thinking of doing those two together. I just don't know how it'd pan out. So this is when I'm going to start cleaning this shower. This shower, by the way, is probably the one thing that I can't stand cleaning in my house. It is so annoying. We used to have a shower head that detached, but for some reason I think water minerals or whatever builds up in it, and I still have to soak it. Like, I soaked it once in vinegar, but it didn't come out, so I still have to soak it to get that out, and it just makes me touching up the shower throughout the week a little bit more difficult, because I don't know if a lot of you do this or find it weird, but I do this. When I'm showering, I will actually wipe down the shower just to keep things clean. You guys, did you catch that neck roll I did? This is another reason why I hate cleaning my shower. It is very painful. This is a trigger for my neck. I'm always in so much pain. I think because of the circular motions and the awkward positions of my head and everything. It's just not, it's not a fun time. It's very painful. So yeah, that was rough, you guys. But on a positive note, I got a clean shower. So now that it's been well over 15 minutes, I went ahead and started vacuuming. I don't know the name of this vacuum. I'm so bad. My husband is the one that picked it out, did research, bought it, and all of that. I'm just using it, you guys. I don't do all of that. I'm like one of those stupid people that go inside, see something they like, they pick it up, bring it home, and then a little bit later, like maybe a month or so later, it breaks. And you're like, why'd it break? I spent all this money on it. Why'd it break? I don't do so much research. It's probably really bad. But yeah, I'm going to link and list everything I mentioned in this video or use in the description box. So make sure you go and check that out. But I'm just vacuuming it up. And another side note, when I vacuum the floor, it is so gross. It is like a cat coughed up a huge hairball. It's all of my hair. I like shed like crazy, you guys. It's so gross. Yeah, you guys, this is what it looks like when we have steak night. But since today was all kinds of crazy, wasn't routine at all, we had steak in the afternoon or something. I don't know. It's like a tradition. We always have steak once a week. My husband is the one that cooks it, and then I make the sides. But this is how our kitchen looks each time. It's just so crazy. So as you see, I am just picking it all up because I can't be bothered leaving. Like, I wish I can just leave it on the counter and not be bothered by it, but I can't. Once I see like counters covered and stuff, I like OCD kicks in, man. But I'm just picking everything up. I don't really mind the mess that steak night brings because of this dishwasher. In Germany, you guys, our dishwasher was so bad. Like, it didn't wash well, I think because it was old. And I had to wash everything by hand. Now, I'm not going to say, like, complain and stuff, but I am spoiled now. I'm so spoiled. I love this thing. It is my favorite appliance in my house, hands down. But I do wash things out by hand, as you're going to see in the next clip, because you can't throw everything in the dishwasher. So there is some stuff I wash out by hand, and honestly, I grew up washing everything by hand, but now that I have my dishwasher, I'm like, those days are gone. I'm so spoiled, you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys feel the same way when you're doing the dishes and you just can't be bothered, and then you look at the dishwasher and it's looking at you and it's like, yeah, start me up. And because I forgot to mention, I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in basil, of course. And I'm not even kidding you guys, it's my favorite, I swear. I went to Target. No, I had my husband go to Target because he was already out shopping. And he asked me if I needed anything. I said, yeah, I would like some more of my Mrs. Meyer's. But I hope you guys got some motivation, some cleaning motivation, I should say, and maybe had a few laughs at my silly self. Yeah, but I am just going to pick up this little mess because I totally forgot. As you can see, last minute. Forgetful Sadie. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider liking this video and subscribing and becoming a fan. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. She said that in all one breath. You were mine until the end of the summer.